Did you know you can turn a watermelon into pizza? Let's explore this fun and fruity snack together. This watermelon pizza is not only healthy, but also loaded with vitamins. It's a fantastic way to enjoy fresh fruit, especially during those hot summer days, and kids can really get creative while making this delicious treat with yogurt and their favorite berries. First, you'll want to slice the watermelon into thick rounds, creating a nice round crust. Next, spread a layer of yogurt on top, just like you would with sauce. Then, let the tiny chefs sprinkle their favorite berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, all over the yogurt. You can even add a drizzle of honey for extra sweetness. Just imagine the smiles on their faces as they transform this simple fruit into a colorful masterpiece. This watermelon pizza is a perfect summer snack. So gather your little ones, roll up your sleeves, and have some fun in the kitchen. Remember, creating healthy snacks can be an adventurous journey. Don't forget to follow Allie's Flab for more tasty garden adventures and delightful recipes to share with your tiny chefs.